Hi Cancer, I am Alex Eagle, the Master of Runes. I will ask the runes what you can do to achieve your current goal or solve your current problem. Also in the end of the video I will teach you how you can use a personalized runic amulet for your success. Keep in mind, this is a general reading, so not everything will resonate personally with you. Now what this reading is actually about. This reading is something related to money, to the financial energy, and also to the ability to grow and expand, to the ability to increase your presence in this world. So this energy is most closely depicted by a seed that is growing into a tree, so it's becoming bigger and stronger. So when this is applied to the financial energy of a human, this human also becomes wealthier. So, and the question is, why this is energy is reduced in you? Why you are perhaps lacking some kind of a financial energy? Why there are problems with money and problems with expanding yourself in this world? Now, what do you actually want? Actually, you want stability. Strength, stability, protection, and being among your kind. So the message is pretty clear. You are going through a unstable moment, through a moment of turbulence that is sent to you, so you will be able to find your balance, find your ground. So perhaps some support was taken from you for you to be able to create it on your own. Now, how do you achieve that? You can achieve that through being gentle and caring. That will allow you to connect with your kind more and developing these qualities of being a good in communication and good in building relationships with people, of building friendships, of communicating with your relatives. This social openness of your heart and your ability to form connections with people, to form deep and meaningful connections with people, will bring you the stability that you want. This will positively impact the wealth of you. You will be able to grow, having a good foundation, a good support of this, just being confident that you are among people who are supporting you. That will allow you to develop your financial energy, and your presence in this world will grow. And now, what is the rune for you, for your success? The rune for you is the rune Manas, rune of the social intellect, rune of your intellectual abilities and your ability to communicate with other people. So the message is absolutely clear. Work on your social side, on your ability to communicate, on your ability to form constructive relationships with people. Such relationships, those bring growth and evolution to both sides of this relationship, while being also caring and nurturing and gentle, and also some kind of a hint of a family related energy is here. So you can also use this rune directly, the rune Manas, by drawing it on the left side of your body, by visualizing in symbol, or also by just focusing on these archetypes, on these ideas of being a social being, working with other people for a common goal. I mean, what qualities you need to develop to be able to create in a group, in pairs with other people. Focus on that, you will gain your stability, support and success. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you the best of luck.